How does this function feel to y'all? Do y'all want me to explain this? Basically, in Rust, you can put functions on structs or like associate functions with structs. And this little piece here is called a lifetime because we're passing around references to strings, like things somebody else owns is the way that I'll put that. Like some other kid has a toy and we're like, oh, cool, a red ball. Let me remember that red ball, but we can't like modify it or anything. Then we add a score we associate the function score with board. It takes a reference to itself. So what we're saying here is we can look at board and we can look at what it is, but we can't modify it. And then we're returning a U32. So we're taking the board field, which is in this struct up here, off of self. We're iterating over it. Because it's the 2D matrix, this will iterate over all the cells. To filter out the cells that were called, we use filter map. I destructure the board square, which we defined here, to get the number that is associated with that square and whether it was called or not. Then we use the match syntax to match on that. And we can use our enum, which we defined up here, which has called or uncalled. And if it was called, then it's none. If it's uncalled, then we parse the number and we return it because we need to sum here.